running the nmap command can be quite intimidating for the one that's never run it before. But in reality, you can just type nmap and the IP address. If you do that and you press enter to this particular IP address, if you really close to the server, it will get a response back to you really, really close and really fast. Alright, so if you want to extend the scan just a bit, you can add on the capitalized, the small s and the capitalized C to run standard scripts and to do a version scan of which kind of service is running. Then you can do capitalized V and small s and a tag in front of it. Now, you don't usually need the SC, which runs standard scripts, but it's a really good idea. Running this command here will just take a tad longer because it's trying to identify the service, and as you can see, it's an Apache with this version running on Ubuntu, and it's a default page.